What is up guys? In today's video I'm going to be share with you how to make $100 per day as a broke beginner. It's the very simple process and anybody can easily do it, okay? And I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process on how to do each one of the thing, okay? So before we get into the video, I have a 100% free training with which you can easily make $100 per day. So be sure to check that out. And if you are in the niche of making money online, entrepreneurship related niche and business related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily money making videos. And now what I'm going to be share with you is we are going to approach to the clients to help them to build the funnels. But you might be thinking, how are we going to approach the clients? What are we going to say them, and why they will be ready? How are we going to create the funnel, even if you are beginner and all that stuff? There are tons and tons of questions coming to your mind, but after this video all of them will be gone. So first of all, how much can you really charge? Basically $100 is the least amount, okay? And once you have gotten one client, he can easily pay you over $500 a month, because they will be creating new funnels every month, because they are doing new product launch and all that stuff. So what we are going to share, I'm going to share with you, look at this. A marketing funnel design setup is $5,000 to $10,000. Yeah, it seems very much high, because that's kind of professional, but we are not going to see that. But look at this. If only 10% will be our price, that means about $500. So that will not be the unreasonable price, that will be complete reasonable price, okay? So now what we are going to do over here, we are going to approach to the clients. How are we going to approach to the clients? We are going to do this with the Facebook, and we can also do this with the kind of Fiverr, and with the kind of Upwork and all that stuff. What you can do, you can go to the Fiverr, and there you can create a gig like I will design a funnel for you for just $50. $50 will be very easy. What can you do? If they are asking for a landing page, you can charge them a $50 to $100, because it's not gonna take that much time. But still, it's very important. If you can give them high conversion rate, you can even charge $200 or even $500. It depends on the conversion rate. You can provide them a 80% conversion rate and can charge up to $500, okay? So that is the one thing you need to do, okay? So you can easily charge $100, and literally it's going to take you 10 minutes to design this, okay? I'm going to share with you the tool. The tool is the Builderall. It's the cheapest platform ever. You can do this with the just $30, okay? And if let's say you can buy the you can buy this Builderall yourself, okay? What you can do, either you can buy the Builderall yourself, okay, and create the funnels for others, or you can tell them that I'm going to create a free funnel for you, okay? And you can create an account with your affiliate link on a 7-day trial basis, and you can create a funnel for them, and you can tell them that if you like this funnel, you can upgrade it with just $30 monthly plan. So you will be getting the 30% commission lifetime plus 100% one-time commission. Or you can get an account for yourself and create the create the funnels for themselves. So this can also be popular, because if you can do this, you can charge much higher price like $100, $200, $500. But if you are only going to provide them the Builderall software, you will be making about $30 for 1 month, thereafter just $9 and all that stuff. So I will recommend you to go with that step. Just only create them funnel. Do not try to sell them Builderall, okay? So we are going to do, how to get clients, okay? We can you can get the 7-day trial of the Builderall in the description as well, okay? And literally I'm also giving lots of bonuses with the Builderall, so be sure to check that out. The link is in the description, okay? And what is over here, how are you going to reach out to the clients? Either you can create the gig on the Fiverr and all that stuff, but that is too complicated. You may not get the clients, but this is the way. Basically bloggers need a landing page, they need sales funnels, they need all that stuff. So what you can do, just create just head over to the Facebook and see over 81,000 members, about 6,000 members. You will see there are tons and tons of groups, 1,400 members. Just tell them that you are going to create first funnel for them for free, and if they will like that, they are gonna to come back to you. And be sure to just there are lots and lots of, you just need to drag and drop. Okay, there are already built softwares. Or for example, you can come on the new website, or even in the sales funnel, they have already done everything. You just need to change the text and the links. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. Okay, I don't know why it's just not running on. Okay, sales funnel. So there are already pre-made funnels, and the rate of the conversion rate is high with this. Okay, they have already done all of the optimizations. So you can really literally create the funnels for them, and you are going to create the first funnel for them free, and they will come back to you lifetime. They will be referring you to others. So this is the ultimate way of getting lots and lots of clients. Just what you can do, join this group and ask to reach out to them personally, that I am creating a free funnel for you, if you want, and all that stuff you can tell them. Okay, so do this about reach out to 10 to 20 clients, and every single day you can get at least one client, even if it is not paid. But after a week or so, they will be paying you because you are providing them good service. This is the ultimate way. Or you can also go in the ClickFunnels groups. Okay, in the ClickFunnels, they are paying over a lot of money, and even there are some of the beginners guys. Okay, so they do not know how to create the funnel. Create the funnel for them. Or even it's better to sell these guys Builderall, because they will be looking for a place where they can find a cheaper alternative of the ClickFunnels. And the third thing you can do, you can reach out to your local service provider like Seattle Plumber, or even you do not need to reach out to local service provider. You can do like whatever you want, Seattle Plumber or Milwaukee Plumber, or whatever it is you want. Okay, you can come over here, and these guys really want high converting funnels. Just learn how to design the funnels. Also, Builderall has trials, so if you do not know anything, then also you can create everything. Okay, you just need to drag and drop, or just change the text over here. Okay, and even there are the tutorials as well. Okay, tutorials and training videos. So it's very easy, and anybody can do it. Okay, just these guys are even going to charge you. You can even charge $2,000 with these guys. But how are you going to create the funnel? Look at this. You can easily charge $50 to $100 for this. Okay, it depends on the conversion rate. You can charge a lot more. Okay, but for this one, okay, you can easily charge $500 to $1,000. Okay, look at this. Everything is included in this funnel. Okay, look at this, guys. Okay, and this you are not gonna to take that much time to create this funnel. Maybe for the first time it takes a lot of time, but after about 1 or 2 funnels, it is not going to take you a lot of time. So guys, this is the ultimate hack that it is very easy, and you can easily do it. You just need to start taking action. That's it, guys. That's it. Just start taking action and keep killing it. Okay, so this is the ultimate way of making $100 per day. You can easily get one client, and sometimes easily you can charge $500 for each of the funnel. Look at this. For this funnel, you can easily charge $500. So guys, I'm saying the $100 is the least amount you can get. You can easily make over 200 to 300 or even 500. And once you will be start getting the clients, you will be making much more money than this. They will be your permanent customers. Okay, so now guys, if that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Okay, and be sure to claim your 100% free training. The link is in the description, and also Builderall's link is in the description. Do not forget to check out your bonuses. So guys, thank you for watching this video.